Here's the Qleeno in the storage position. So it takes up very little room, can fit in the closet next to the mop bucket, and actually takes up half the room of a mop bucket. So very safe and secure in the closet with this small design. I wanted to show you the underside of the machine here. This is our patented rotating squeegee design. This will rotate at 180 RPM. We have, what happens here is the solution is dispensed from the center hub. It's agitated by the brush or pad, and then centrifugal force is brought to the squeegee ring, which then in turn is vacuumed up by these 3 ports here. So we're dispensing solution, agitating, and vacuuming it up, all in one motion. So we're looking at saving time and money with this investment. This brush here, which is included with the machine, is a polypropylene brush. It's an even cut bristle. This can be used on tile and grout, could be used on VCT, marble, granite, any hard floor surface that you choose. This can be used on that without scratching it. This machine is not used for carpet at all because of the squeegee design. Okay, from here we have taken the brush off, and we have the squeegee ring assembly here. You can see that it flexes, and it's able to contour to any hard floor surface or even uneven floor surface because of these spring arms here. There's 3 of those that will attach to the squeegee ring here. So this ring entirely has these little squeegee rings which are riveted in here. So the whole ring for replacement needs to be replaced as a whole unit, as well as the vacuum tubes. We recommend about 600 hours of use on the squeegee ring. That is based on 4 hours a day, and that's commercial use, 4 hours a day, 5 days a week, 1,040 hours a year. So approximately replacing this twice a year. Now you could get a lot longer lifespan out of that depending on the floor types that you're using it on. VCT would be a great example, nice smooth surface. That this could last much longer than that. We also recommend, as I mentioned before, replacing the vacuum tubes at the same time, about 600 hours of use as well on that, just because these are contact points to the floor and you want to replace those to make sure you have optimal performance at this level here. Now I want to point out the center here where the solution comes out, these ports here, and then you have this inside here, what we call as a water distributor. With inside here, you have access to these vacuum ports here. And you can back flush these systems for anything that might be in there. You would have a hair clog right here you could pull off and then take care of that and clean these easily without any tools required. So that's just a twist and lock there. Now I want to point out that with doing a demonstration and things with the machine and cleaning, especially in a restaurant environment where you might have a steak knife, napkin, or lemon wedge on the floor, the squeegee design here is designed to protect the vacuum tubes for any of the large debris trying to get sucked up. Another example would be a school environment with paper clips on the floor. It's actually going to kick the paper clips around the room rather than sucking them up. And it's because of this design here where the squeegee ring sits on the side of the vacuum tube, preventing any of the large debris to get sucked up and cause a clog in the system. So it's a very preventive maintenance system. So that I did want to point out. It's a very efficient system and a good cleaning and drying application with all this here.